Hi, this is Art with Raven, and today we're going to be making an origami butterfly. What you need origami paper. And you can use any color, but I just wanted to use blue. So first off, what you're going to do, so you have it like this, then you're going to turn it like a diamond. Okay. Now you're going to fold the bottom to the top. Then you're going to crease it. Then do it on the other side. Okay. Now flip the paper over to the back side. Then you're gonna fold the bottom to the top. You should have this shape. Then unfold. And then this, you're gonna unfold it. So then you are gonna squeeze this part. And then you're gonna same with these two. And then when you do that, you should have a triangle. Don't unfold it. This time what you're going to do with the sides, you're going to fold it up. Like that. And then you're also going to do it on the other side. Then, this is what it should look like. Now on the other side, this side, you're going to fold the top down. Turn it around. Fold it sideways. Then you have a butterfly. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe.